guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fayy Lenee back with another video, and for today's video I have got a video that I have not filmed on my channel in a very long time. I used to do these monthly and then I just kind of stopped doing them for a little while, but today I am bringing them back and I am talking about my BOXYCHARM unboxings. I actually had one of you guys in the comments. I'll try to see if I can find that comment. I'm not sure what video it was on, but I'll see if I can find it. But one of you guys mentioned in a comment on one of my recent videos that you would love to see the items that I get in my BOXYCHARM, because I have mentioned to you guys products that I have incorporated into my makeup looks that I've gotten from BOXYCHARM, or things that I'm including in my everyday makeup stashes that I've gotten from previous BOXYCHARM. And yeah, one of you guys mentioned that you would love to see me do BOXYCHARM unboxings. So I'm going to reintroduce them onto my channel and see if it's something that you guys are interested in watching. So if you enjoy it, if you want to see more of them, be sure to give this one a big thumbs up. And if you have not already and you are new to my channel, also be sure to subscribe down below, and let's go ahead and get into this month's box. Alright guys, so before I jump into the box, I do want to quickly mention to you guys that BOXYCHARM does send these to me monthly for free. This video is not sponsored. They have never asked me to create a video showing you guys the products that come in the box. Again, as I mentioned in the intro, I am creating this video because some of you guys have mentioned that you would love to see me do unboxings on my channel. So that is why I'm creating this video, but I did want to disclose to you guys that I do get these monthly from BOXYCHARM for free. So if you are interested in signing up after you see some of the products that came in this month's box, if it's something that interests you, I will have a link for you down below. The box itself does retail for $21 a month, but literally the products that you get in the box every month always far exceed the cost that you pay. And I used to pay for these boxes monthly, and then BOXYCHARM reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in receiving them from them for free, and who wouldn't want to save $21 a month, girl? So I was like, yes please. I was already subscribed, so I was like, yes please, I'll save that $21. Feel free to send them to me. But just wanted to mention that to you guys. Again, the link to sign up if you're interested will be down below, and let's just go ahead and get into it. So if you follow BOXYCHARM, you already know that they always post little sneak peeks on their Instagram page and on their Twitter of some of the products that all of the people that are subscribed to the box, which they call their charmers, can expect to see in their box that month. And I was so excited to see, which I'm going to share with you first, this product from Glamglow. Honestly, straight off the bat, this right here makes the box worth the $21. Like, easily. So this right here is the Glamglow Gentle Bubble Cleanser, and by the way, they do also include a card in the box with all of the products, the prices, and how they are supposed to be used, which is super helpful, especially for products that you may not have ever heard of before. You can get a little bit of information about the products on this card. So this one is, like I said, from Glamglow. It's the Gentle Bubble Cleanser, and this retails for $28. So right there, whole box $21 covered, because this retails for $28. And I'm so excited about this, you guys. Like, Glamglow is my favorite. They are one of the products that just works so nice on my skin and actually works. And this right here, first of all, the packaging, bomb. And it says on here that this cleanser is a daily conditioning gel cleanser that gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. It also says that it has oat amino acids that condition the skin, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. So honestly, I can tell you right now, this is probably going to get used tonight. It smells really good too. It pretty much just smells like a cleanser, nothing super special, but it's Glamglow. So the next product that I have in here is an eyelash curler. This is from the brand Pure, and it kind of like goes together. I'm living for this like unicorn vibe situation that we have going on. But these retail for $18, and of course they're just eyelash curlers, your typical eyelash curler. It feels like pretty good quality, but honestly, I'm just here for this whole packaging situation. I love, and I do use eyelash curlers on my natural lashes whenever I just wear mascara, because my natural lashes are kind of short and stubby and kinky like my hair. So I like to use eyelash curlers to really like curl and push them up. so this will get some good use. Next up, we have this little blush trio, and this is from the brand Alamar. This is their Colorette Blush Trio, which retails for $22. Honestly, you guys, we're already up to like over $60, and I still have 2 more products to share with you guys, so I'm just saying. But this one right here is the Dark Rich palette, and it comes with 3 different shades. These are beautiful shades, and these are super pigmented, by the way. I actually mixed Candela and, no, not Candela. I mixed Oasis and Deserted. So this orange and this kind of purpley shade, I mixed the 2 of those together for my blush today. And I literally just like tap off the excess and applied it to my cheeks. And this is what it gave me. Just a really nice, beautiful flush, not too much. These can definitely be kind of intimidating colors because they're kind of vibrant, and like these on the end are kind of deep, but just a little bit goes a long way, and it gives you a really beautiful flush on the cheeks. So the next product that I have to share with you guys is a lip gloss. It's actually the lip gloss that I have on my lips right now. I have matte cork lined all over my entire lip, and then I went in with this lip gloss on top. This is by the brand Luna by Luna, and this is in the shade Venus. This retails for $18, and this is just a really beautiful kind of shimmery bronzy gloss with gold reflex. It's kind of wearing off because I did film one other video before this one, so I'll just go ahead and touch it up. I feel like this would make a great gloss to wear by itself or as a topper on top of a lipstick. Like, I feel like this gloss could honestly go with anything because it's just a beautiful bronzy gloss with a little bit of a gold reflect to it. Beautiful gloss, super comfortable on the lips. Like, it's not sticky or anything really. It just feels almost like a lip balm, but it's glossy and it's cute. And then last but not least, we have from the brand Ciate, and this is their Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in the shade Cupid. So this right here retails for $22. Girl, I haven't filmed one of these videos in a long time, so I haven't actually looked at like the value of the products that are in the box. Like, normally I just get the box, I open it, I look at the products. You know, I don't like really look at the card except when I'm sitting here filming these videos for you guys. And they have really stepped it up. Like, since the last time I filmed one of these videos, they have really stepped it up on their products. Like Glamglow, Ciate Pure, like they have really stepped it up. But this right here, like I said, is a cream eyeshadow. This is beautiful. I kind of see a little pattern happening here with like the tones. I see what you're doing, BOXYCHARM. I see what you're doing. And I'm here for it, by the way. I'm loving the tones. But this is beautiful. This is literally unicorn vibes. It's like a lavender shade with like goldish green reflex. Just stunning. Whoa. Look at that. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It almost makes me wish that I had like filmed a look with this so that you guys can see. I'll definitely have to incorporate this in a look in the future so that you guys can see it in action. But girl, that is stunning. So that is everything that I got in this month's BOXYCHARM. Honestly, I had a lot of fun filming this video. I forgot how much I enjoyed sitting and filming these types of unboxings for you guys. Usually I don't open the box prior to filming. I did open it this time just because I wanted to kind of use some of the products. Like, I used the blush palette, I used the gloss, just so that you guys can see that these are brown girl friendly options, brown girl friendly shades. I think they do tend to choose products that have like a light, medium, and dark option so that they can send you products that fit your skin tone. And they nailed it this month. Like, they really nailed it. I absolutely love every single thing that I got in the box. The gloss is gorgeous, complements my skin tone beautifully, but I feel like this is a gloss that would complement a lot of different people's skin tones. It looks more brown on me because I put the liner underneath, but it's really just a sheer bronze tone gloss, which would be beautiful for summer. You guys already know I'm so excited about this. I'm definitely using this tonight when I cleanse my face. And like even this cream eyeshadow, the blush palette, like I'm here for all of this. Like I'm here for all of this. They really did the damn thing this month. Like BOXYCHARM killed it. They got all the shades right. They got the tones right. I'm here for it. So I really hope that you guys had as much fun watching this video as I had filming it for you guys. I actually forgot how much I enjoyed filming these types of videos. So I really hope that you enjoyed it so that I can continue filming these types of videos for you guys. Let me know what you thought about it down below. If you would like to continue seeing more of these videos in the future, give this one a big thumbs up to let me know. If you are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to sign up for BOXYCHARM, like I said, I will have a link. I always have my link in my description. I have a lot of really good information in my description, okay? I worked really hard on my description to give you guys lots of information. I have my filming equipment down there. I have my foundation shades down there. I always have like links that I support down there, and BOXYCHARM is always down there. Even though I haven't been filming the videos, the link is always down there. So I will bring it to the top of the description for you guys for this particular video to make it easy for you to find it and to click on it and to sign up if you're interested. And yeah, I think that's all that I have for you guys for this video. So thank you so much for watching. I really hope that you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next one.